your girl Shantes, also known as With Love SB. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It is officially 2021. I am so excited for what this year has in store, and I pray that all of you have had a happy and wonderful, safe holiday. For those of you who are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. And for those of you old subscriber and new, thank you so much for your love and support. I just appreciate all of you. And yeah, if you are new here, come on ahead and join my little family. Pause the video so that you can go ahead and subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. That way you can stay posted, you know, whenever I post new content, and so that you can stay in the know. Yes, as you can see from the title of today's video, I decided to do an at-home chemical peel. I did not want to go to a spa or in person because didn't want to spend this money. I wanted to keep the coins in my pocket. So I did a little research and I came across a website called Skin Obsession. If you take a look at the website, it has a couple of different peels that you can choose from. I'm not an expert. However, I did a lot of research before I decided to make my purchase on the different type of chemical peels that African Americans use, and a lot of them went with the TCA peel. So I said, okay, let me go ahead and do that. Just to give you a little backstory, I have been struggling with hormonal acne for years. If you take a look, these are a couple example photos of like the very worst that my skin has been. So I said, you know what? It is now 2021. I need to try something new. I cannot go into this year battling the same issues that I had in 2020. No. So without further ado, let me go ahead and just hop right into the video. So as you can see right now, I have mask knee right here, like where I wear my mask. I have, you know, more breakouts than normal. I just, you know, had a breakout right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions for this TCA chemical peel. Step 1, it says pull hair back and thoroughly cleanse the skin with a non-abrasive cleanser. Dry skin well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. What I'm gonna use to clean my face is just the normal face cleanser that I use by Urban Skin RX. So I'm just gonna use this like I normally do. And got the little sponge here, so I'm just wet it and just wash my face. Alright, so the next step says use a cotton ball or, you know, just something. I'm gonna use a paper towel. I'm just gonna fold it up and, you know, pour some alcohol on there, wipe it over your skin, make sure that everything is thoroughly cleansed, and allow it to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that next. While it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and read the next set of instructions. It says step number 3, apply peel solution in a single coat to your skin with a gauze pad or paper towel folded into quarters. The paper towel will be less absorbent than the cotton ball, but a cotton ball can be used in a pinch. Leave a couple of millimeters between the rim of the eye and the peel solution. Peel solution will remain on the skin for 3 to 5 minutes depending on skin response. Strong stinging during this step is normal. Fanning skin will help alleviate this, as can a blow dryer on cool setting. Your skin may turn a chalky white color, which is called frosting. This is normal and indicates that the peel has gone far enough. If after 5 minutes you do not see any frosting, please continue to step B. Step B is basically just applying a second layer. Same thing, you just do it again. If your skin has turned chalky, gray, or white, you will begin rinsing your face with cool water to neutralize the peel. Splash face repeatedly for 2 full minutes. The white/gray frosting will fade eventually from 10 minutes to an hour after the peel is neutralized. Another important thing, it doesn't say this in the instructions, but what I would recommend, what I'm going to do is actually use gloves. Since this peel is so strong, I don't want the skin on my fingers to start peeling, so I'm going to make sure that I apply gloves so I can protect my fingers. just dabbing it on here. Here goes nothing. All right, I'm gonna watch myself in the camera while I'm doing it. Yeah. This better be worth it. Beauty is pain. My skin feels really tight and it's really on fire. I got it on my top lip. I want y'all to see it. This is the frosting that it's talking about. All right, my love, so it's been 5 minutes. This feels really tight. Oh. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and rinse everything off. So I'm out of the shower. I just finished washing my face. I already towel patted it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and add their moisturizer. Let it focus. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna just add a little dab of that. Drop some. But apply that to my face. My skin feels like I have like egg yolk on it. You know, like if you were to crack an egg and it would dry up on your face. That's how my skin feels right now. It feels really tight like that. So they say that you won't actually start to see the actual peeling until like day 2 or 3. So we shall see. All right, so there we have it. Day 1 complete. So let's see what day 2 has to bring. All right, you all, good morning. It's morning number 2. I just wanted to show you all my skin and how it's looking. It feels really tight. I don't know if you all can see. Back up some. The skin is really tight, and I'm noticing that my skin is starting to turn dark brown in some areas. It's common for, you know, before your skin starts peeling that it turns a dark brown first. So starting to see that. No peeling as of yet. Again, they said that typically the peeling doesn't start until like day 2 or day 3. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, take my shower and wash my face, and then show you all what my skin looks like after I've washed and moisturized it. So this is what my skin looks like now after I've cleaned it and moisturized it. So good morning, my love. So it is day 3. As you can see, this is my face right now. It's starting to itch a little bit, so when I have an itch, you don't want to scratch it. I just pat my face where it itches. I just washed my hands, so we're good to go. I'm gonna get in a little closer so that you can really see the texture of my skin. As you can see, it's starting to peel around my mouth. Skin is very tight. Forehead. It's still really brown, starting to darken around the forehead area or my eyebrow right here. Yeah, so it's giving me old lady. It's giving me grandma. It's giving me assisted living. Like, yeah. But anyway, yeah, so this is day 3. I'm excited to see how much more I begin to peel on tomorrow. So see you in the morning. Alrighty, good morning, love. So it is day 3 of my chemical peel. My face has definitely begun to start peeling. It actually started last night, and as you can see, let me get a little closer. It's really starting to peel around my mouth right now. Skin is still very tight. Yeah, so I can feel the new skin underneath here. It feels really nice and smooth. Can't wait for my whole face to feel this way. Face is very, very itchy today. It started itching really bad last night, so I'll try my best. I just rub vigorously because I want to scratch it so bad. Like, yeah. So Got like 3 more days to go. I honestly don't believe that it's gonna finish peeling in a week. So there's still a lot on my face that still needs to come off. So we'll see. All right, so here we are, morning 5. That's what my skin looks like today. Forehead still very shiny. Not much peeling up here. Cheeks have started a little bit, and on my chin. So still got a bit of a ways to go. Let me get in a little closer. So here we are. See you in the morning. Good morning. It's morning number 6. I just finished showering, washed my face, put the moisturizer on there. Every time I wash my face and when I'm putting the moisturizer on there, I can literally see all the dead skin that is peeled be all over my fingers and stuff. So a little more peeling around my face. Let me show you what the skin looks like once it actually comes off. I feel like a snake. Hold it up against a paper towel, see if you can get a better look. Dead skin. I noticed a lot of peeling on my cheeks is coming along now. Like I said, majority of this area has already peeled. So it's just like the cheeks and along my jawline, my forehead that still has to shed now. So yeah, progress so far. I will see you on morning 7. Yes, morning 7, possibly 6. Did I do 6 yesterday? I can't remember. Morning 7, just more peeling today. Get in. My forehead still is not really starting to peel. Maybe on the side, like right here around my eyebrow too. But this is what's looking like. I am a little concerned right here because it's a little dark underneath where the skin has peeled. I don't know. We'll see how it continues to unfold. Again, it was only supposed to take 7 days, but it's taking a little longer than I anticipated. So I'll just show you all the finished look once my face finishes peeling. So yeah. So it is officially day 9 and my skin has finished peeling for the most part. I think I still have a little bit left down here on my neck, but other than that, my face is, pretty much officially done with the peeling process. This is what my skin is looking like after the peel. Still some hyperpigmentation, but the texture of my skin has improved tremendously. It's super soft, and I feel as though the spots have lightened some, and then of course completely disappeared. But yeah, these are my results so far. Of course, this product does not work miracles. Yes, I definitely do have work that I still have to do, but I'm looking forward to seeing my progress as the weeks continue. So yeah, I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. If this was a video that you enjoyed seeing, don't forget to go ahead and like this video, give it a nice little thumbs up there, and comment any suggestions that you have. Share your skincare routines. A sister is always looking for something new because I am trying. It's 2021. Gotta get it together. But anyway, I appreciate you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Mwah.